Hey, in today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you the best way to hide WhatsApp chats here on your phone. And the coolest part is that the hidden chats option won't appear here at the top. As you can see, it's hidden, and the only way to access your hidden chats is by typing in a passcode in here, which is a secret code. In my case, it's 4456, and as soon as I type in my secret code, the chats are gonna show up in here. So there's no way somebody can actually find out if you've got hidden chats or not. As you can see, I'm now gonna tap here on my locked chats, and now I do have access to my hidden chat, which is this one right here. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I do cover a lot of tech hacks and fixes. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, going straight into the tutorial, this is a very secure way of hiding chats here on your WhatsApp. And if you go back, as you can see, there's no hidden chats option in here at the top, just the way it was in the past. Now, let's jump straight into the tutorial, starting from scratch. So here we are on WhatsApp, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do this. The very first thing you need to do is, of course, select the specific chat that you wish to hide, right? In my case, this is the chat I wish to hide in here, which is a chat that I have with my girlfriend, right? So first things first, what you need to do is simply slide the chat to the left, tap here on more, and then simply tap here on lock chat to lock that specific chat, right? Now, we've got a new feature here on WhatsApp that allows us to unlock with Face ID or even the passcode, right? So we've got in here, keep this chat locked and hidden, use your Face ID to open this chat and read notifications on this device. No issues. Next up, let's simply tap here on continue. It's gonna ask for my Face ID, and as you can see, the chat has been locked. There's a pop-up in here which says, for added privacy, chats will also be locked on certain linked devices. Simply tap on OK, thank you for the information, and as you can see, if you scroll up, you'll be able to see the lock chats option here at the top, right? And this is exactly what we want to get rid of, because it doesn't make sense to show up here that we've got locked chats, right? We wish to actually hide those specific locked chats, right? So what we're going to be doing in here is simply tap once on locked chats, unlock with our Face ID, and we'll be brought here to that specific chat. Now, over here, what we're going to be doing is tapping here on settings, and next up, we'll be tapping here on hide lock chats, right? So once we tap here on hide lock chats, we'll be brought to a screen which says find locked chats by entering your code into the search bar in the chats tab. Chats will be unlocked and cleared if you forget your code and create a new one, right? So once we're here, the next thing we're going to be doing is simply tapping here on create secret code. Now let's quickly allocate a secret code here to unlock our hidden chats. In my case, we'll be going with 5677, okay? So our code is 5677. Tap on next. It's going to ask you to double check or to simply confirm that code. So simply repeat the code 5677, tap on done, and here we go. It's now locked. And as you can see, if we hop here to the main WhatsApp screen or homepage, we won't be able to see the hidden chat anymore. And that specific chat won't appear in here. As you can see, I'm trying to search for that contact and it's not showing up in here. This is because that specific chat has been hidden, right? Now, the next thing, if you wish to access that specific chat or hidden chats, simply type here the passcode, which is 5677, and then locked chats are going to show up immediately right here. Simply tap on locked chats and you'll be able to access that specific chat right there. This is how easy it is, and the cool part is that this is an official feature offered by WhatsApp, but a lot of people do not know about it yet. So once you're here, next up, if you want to simply disable this hidden chats feature or something like that, simply tap here on settings and then tap here to disable this toggle option in here, tap on continue, and next up we want to tap here on secret code and tap on turn off. Next up, what you're going to do is simply slide to the left on this specific chat. You wish to unlock it, tap on more, tap on unlock chat, and then Face ID, boom, here we go. No locked chats anymore. So here we go. The chat has been brought here to the main homepage. And this is how easy it is to lock and unlock chats here on your WhatsApp application. If you find this content useful on YouTube, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.